Take note, marriage in patience or patience in marriage is not about finding the right person, but about being the right person with patience and love. So sa lahat ng mga mag-aasawa, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon, if you want to build a strong, successful, happy marriage, to lead to a strong, happy family, and will lead to a strong, happy church, and will lead to a strong, happy community and nation, simple lang. You need the pillar of patience in marriage. And patience in marriage is not finding the right person. Huwag kang maghanap ng taong tama para sa'yo. Stop looking for the right person. Wala kang makikita. Mauubos mo na yung 7 bilyong taong populasyon sa buong mundo. Wala kang makikitang right person para sa'yo. Kasi unique ka. At unique ang bawat isa. Stop looking and finding for that right person. Ang challenge sa'yo, be the right person with patience and love. Ikaw yung maging tamang tao para sa kanya. Again, ang challenge natin is stop looking, finding the right person, but be the right person with patience and with love. Tama? O may tama?